What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I know many people that are invested into crypto, or honestly want to even get started investing into crypto, are looking for the right sectors to be a part of. While they're looking at things like Ethereum and XRP and Bitcoin, some of the ones that are at the top of the list, they tend to neglect some of the ones that are on the second page, right, third page of Coin Market Cap, and some of those have way more potential than some of the big ones. Yes, those are going to be the heavy use cases, but who's to say that some of those ones that are on the second, third, fourth, fifth, even sixth page won't find a way to move their way up the list? And this is why I'm bringing this project to you, because it involves AI like no other cryptocurrency project really does, right? If you're looking for a project that truly is about AI and not just putting AI out there as a buzzword or a keyword, you're looking at TARS AI. I've talked about it twice already, and honestly, I think it has a lot of potential with the traction that is behind it, the amount of money that they're putting into marketing, the just constant conversation that I'm seeing out there about this project. I think it definitely shows a lot of possibility, or a large possibility of growth there. So we're going to talk about TARS AI in this video. We're going to talk about that growth. We're going to talk about AI in general, as well as what you can really gain within it as you do see it progress on. Now, bear with me, my voice is not really the best right now. I'm just getting over a little bit of a cold, but I do appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want to check out any of the links down below for TARS AI, will provide all of the links that they do have. They have a lot of things going for them. And if you want to check out newer updates or anything, I have a link down there for Twitter. Just check out their Twitter and see what they have coming and the things that they are doing. With that being said, let's get into this video. So TARS AI, again, I've mentioned it before. I put out a video about this about 2 weeks ago, where I got about 3,000 views. And it says you might want to buy this altcoin now before 2025 bull run, because honestly, it is something that gives you so much potential as you look at actual AI projects. So let's look at what it actually is, just to kind of a brief breakdown. If you guys want a full breakdown, I do have again full videos on that if you want to go and check out other videos. But the AI architecture protocol on Solana, they have an AI market. They have many different things, not just using the buzzword of AI, but you have a kind of a chat GPT comparison where you have TGPT. How can they help you? You can type in anything that you want. What is Solana's price now? If you wanted to just select that, and it'll come up with different information about it, right? You'll have images, you'll have videos, you have things that are related with it. Sorry, my internet connection is not really great right now. The live Solana price today is $171.83 USD, the 24-hour trading volume. You're looking at that, right? Solana is currently trading at 100. So you see Coinbase, you see Binance, you see CoinMarketCap, you see all the different prices that they do have that they're pulling from the internet. You have Sona, right? Meet Sona, the first AI assistant for Solana Mobile. You can have it on Android or Solana Mobile or Android is soon, and Solana Saga right now. TARS research for any papers or anything that you wanted to have there. You also have staking involved with it. So if you want to be able to stake your TARS, feel free to do so, right? At a base of 5%, 10% 30-day lockup, 6-month lockup, 14%, 18% for a 1-year lockup. And then you have the AI market as well. So they're not only, again, talking about these buzzwords of AI, right? It's not about the buzzwords, it's about actually taking action. And that's something that I love, right? I see many AI projects that are AI projects that don't do that, that don't have any type of AI implementation with it or features with it. Now, they do have about 200,000 followers on Twitter, and they're constantly posting about different things. Whether they're talking about their buyback, which again, they have buybacks in progress, where they had their 100% buyback for round one. Right now, it's around 45% of the progress for round two. I believe that was a little bit ago, so they may be closer to completion with that. But they have an aggressive buyback program to where they're reducing the supply overall, which is huge. And a big deal with that is the fact that all of their supply, virtually all of their supply, is actually out there. So if we get into the prices, currently TARS AI is sitting at about 10 cents, 9.4 cents right now. It's up 31% in the last year. If we look at the last day, it is up by 16%. 16.29%. But honestly, even throughout that time, I'm not really worried about that time. I'm worried about from now until, obviously through altcoin season and the end of altcoin season, because what you're seeing now is establishing kind of that core community, a core group of people that believe in this project. And when you do have that, now you have the potential growth and you have the community sentiment, and you could see the sentiment as 90%. People are very, very bullish on this. Not about 999 million coins in circulation or in max supply, with about 900 million coins in circulation. So you have 99 million or so that's out there, 100 million or so that's out there, probably staked and whatnot. But the point is that as you have those buybacks, burns, reducing the supply, you now have the ability to decrease that supply over time, especially with something that has the AI implementation, and not only just, hey, this is AI, but actually putting action out there. You know what I mean? So if you're looking for something that is a 10x potential, that is a 100x potential, this could be that. The reason why is because you're looking at an $85 million market cap right now at a 9.5 cent price, $85 million market cap. This has a potential to be worth, billions of dollars. So just getting to $1 billion market cap, you're looking at a over, right, 10x. Let's just round up and say it's a 10x up to $1 billion market cap, which I think it has full capability of doing. But then getting to a $10 billion market cap, which again has the full capability of doing, especially for a major AI project that has 98,000 followers on CoinMarketCap themselves and 200,000 followers on Twitter. So, or X, I guess. So you're looking at a $1 billion market cap, a $10 billion market cap. That's 100x up to that $10 billion market cap level. Now, I'm not saying that it will 100% get there, but it definitely has the ability to do so. And majority of cryptocurrencies are built off of hype, attention, belief in the use case, and this has all of that. So I want to know what you guys think about TARS AI. I want you to put everything together and say, whether you like it or you don't. I've seen nothing but positive things about it. There may be an occasional person that's like, hey, I don't believe in it. And that's fine, right? You can have your own opinion. You can make your own decision. It's not for me to say that you should go ahead and buy it. But this does look like one of those opportunities, like what I saw in Jasmy Coin, like what I see in XRP, what I see in many others that actually have the utility that's in their sector, if that makes sense. So you remember how we got to a point last altcoin season, how we had a ton of metaverse projects. We had the main metaverse projects that actually were looking to build a metaverse and all of that. But then you had anybody and everywhere that was just putting metaverse in their titles, in their coin. And it was a problem, right? Because they didn't have any type of metaverse implementation. And now you have AI that's kind of the same thing. Everybody's throwing AI everywhere. But when you actually have AI services within your project, that's something to tell you that this is going to be at the top of that list, because the other ones will fall down and will fall off the face of the earth. This one will survive and obviously thrive. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I want to know what you guys think about TARS AI. Have you heard anything about it? Have you invested any money into it? Are you looking to invest any more money into it? I'm going to get out of here. I will provide all the links for TARS AI down below, for their Twitter, for their website, for the chart, for all of that stuff, so you guys can get that information. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.